was really interesting moment that I noticed. So he really tried to be too polite, too open, too happy. So he communicated a lot with all people around. But because of my experience, I know that people who try to be seen extremely open are not open at all. And firstly, when I saw his way of communicating with other people, I thought that it is not true. It is not truth. And the moment that really shows that he's oligarch was he showed on this only to me. There was one situation at the end of the meeting, and actually this is moment that is really interesting. So I don't know why. So they were not like anything bad. So I didn't tell him anything bad. They were not any other atmosphere. So he was not needed to be another person in reality. So they were not dangerous situation at all. I don't know why. I don't really remember why. Maybe I didn't catch this. Why he changed his behavior. It was like 5 seconds. But these 5 seconds you can't forget at all. And so at one moment, his eyes, his mimics changed, and it was not so notable, but I felt so awful emotions. So I felt was like I know how to explain this. Maybe you remember that in Harry Potter there were like death, white it was not animals, it was like ghosts, phantom. So you remember that phantoms, they was like a death. So they when they are near you, you feel that your energy changes, and like you feel like like a fear. And so at one moment, he changed his eyes and the tone of his voice. It was not so noticeable for other people, so they didn't, I really think, notice this, but I felt this energy like a phantom, and it was like small fear of me. So after this, I understood the real energy of such like oligarchs, and they try to not to show it, maybe because they want other people to love them, but it is something inside that it is their power. It is something that you can't explain in words, and only if you feel this you will understand my emotions. And so it was really my dream to work for such people, for such men. I really like I need translator, sorry. So I really admired of such men, of their power. I really thought that they are extremely successful because of their money. And maybe now I have more power inside of me, and I don't admire such people now at all. And I know this energy. It will be really dangerous. I always knew that it is dangerous to communicate with such people. But firstly, I communicated more with my peers. Children from extremely rich families, they are not as their parents. They can be more kind. They cannot have such energy that really brings a lot of money. And so I wanted to share with you my experience, and maybe it will be really interesting for you. And so the idea of this video is that you should notice a lot of things. You should understand who is this person near you. You shouldn't think about like paper or the sweet, the external factors, or like something that this person wants to you to think about them. So you should understand the reality. And I really think that I was the only person who really understood who is he. Maybe not in so great way, but that energy that he showed me, I don't know why, but it influenced me, it affected me, and it was like it was like a warning to me that, girl, I'm not such kind of person who you can think about, that it can seem at the first way, at the first sight. And maybe, I don't know really, I don't know why he showed me his real kind of energy. I don't know, maybe because during the whole evening I wanted to understand him. I wanted to understand who is he in reality. And I told him that I want to work for you, I want to have some project and something like that. Maybe he decided, I don't know, actually I don't know why, but he showed me. He is like phantom, his energy as in phantoms in Harry Potter. And I really think that it was like a warning. I don't know. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.